Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have an exciting dye project for you. We will be making a stunning hanging lamp using ice cream sticks. But before we start this video, I would like to request something special from you. Please consider subscribing on my YouTube channel and hitting that notification bell so you will never miss any of our future creative projects. Let's start the video. We need ice cream sticks. Start by making 3 ice cream sticks and forming a triangle. Repeat this process 8 times to make 8 pairs of triangles. Now take the small size of ice cream sticks. Paste them horizontally inside the blank space of each triangle. This will give our lamp beautiful pattern look. Take 4 pair of triangles and arrange them to create a half diamond shape. Secure it by using glue gun. Repeat the same process with the other 4 pairs. Now we have 2 half diamond shapes. It's time to bring it all together. Carefully paste the 2 half diamond shapes to form a complete diamond shape. your mini lights and carefully place them inside the diamond shape. Here we have the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Until next time, stay creative and don't forget to subscribe.